So little does Dana know, but I've jacked his GoPro. We're gonna catch some fish today. I'm gonna take him up to a nice lake up here on the top of the hills. See if we can get on some of these big bass. And if not, we're headed to another location. But we're gonna try to give you some fishing content, see what we can do, go from there, and we'll get back to the cars. Now my man Dana is trying to see if we can hit 100K by the end of the year. I think we can do it. With your help, Dana can get there. All right, you guys, catch you when we hook up with those bass.
No, this is all video, no vocals.
Tall Dana, that he literally
We just ate you yesterday. Or Joe did. No firework. Gotta make sure my GoPro is pointing the right direction.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Treasure. One man's junk is another man's treasure. They're just gonna round it out. 11 and a half, 12. So little bitch, go tell your mama and papa that we trying to catch him, right?
oh, barely got it.
Yeah, but right on the rim though.
Number dose, little baby, you know.
Yeah.
This one's a circle hook. We'll
Yeah,
see
it
how the
curves
very
back.
edge of it.
Yeah. Right there.
Way, and it snags him in the side of the mouth. That's why that circle hook is so good.
All right, guys. So the GoPro died on me. Obviously, the GoPro was mounted on my head, and it was like pointing out in the sun. I don't know if it drained or whatever. When we got to the fishing spot, it was at like 95%. So I'm not sure why it died really quickly, but it did. We just dropped everything off here at my house, and we're about to go get something to eat because we didn't eat all morning. Just literally woke up and went straight to.
I'm picking up my girlfriend a brand new Dobbins fishing pole because she's been waiting to get a brand new frog pole so she can fish in top water. So, babe, hope you like your surprise.
Surprise! But yeah, we actually are headed to the bait and tackle shop right now to pick up the rod, and then we're gonna go grab something to eat. But when the camera died, I actually hooked up a nice sized bass, like on a, was it a
Drop shot.
yeah, it was. Oh yeah, right here. I have the Robo Worm right here in my beanie. So it was a drop shot style with a, not this one. Let me see, which one is it? It's this one right here. I had this on a drop shot, and I hooked up a fat bass, and then when it got to the bank of the water, I lost it right there. It was so fat. It jumped out the water, and my line shot back because I was keeping it, you know, nice and tensioned, but it unhooked itself, and I lost it. I think you guys scored some smaller 1 or 2 pounds before we left, but definitely had a fun day. All right, guys, so we just left right here, Coyote Bait and Tackle. Joe was gonna pick up a new pole for his girl, but he's got better deals elsewhere, so.
I said we go eat some fish. Can't catch them all, I might as well eat some. Sushi?
Sushi.
Sushi it is.
Sushi it is. So we came to Jen's instead. And then Joe goes and buys one of these. What is that?
It's an ice cream macaroon
Flavor.
sandwich.
And it's so frozen that he almost lost his teeth. Oh my God. I saw the head shook. You know when you eat too much, when your eyes start like blurring in and out. My eyes are blurring right now, for sure. It works. So today, David here is picking up the CRX, and he brought his own battery. We just fired the car. It sounds normal with the Ricer exhaust, but what we're also gonna do right now is we're gonna take my wheels off. I'm gonna switch it out with the GSR blades that has good tires on it, since these are bald, and he's gonna drive it home. So this is probably the last time I'm gonna see it here at the pad, but I know David is gonna take good care of it. He's gonna do some repair work on the Cancer and make this his own project. And if you guys want to see some of David's old cars on the channel, I'll put a link up here in the top for you guys to check out some of his boosted cars about, I don't know how many years ago, 8 years ago here on the channel. But yeah, man, this car is officially going to be gone today, and we're just finalizing a few things. The hood latches, but if you guys remembered, it popped up on me on the drive, so we're gonna relatch it since this was stuck in. Now it's out. Close the hood, run this across, tie it down in case it falls off in a 30-mile drive, and get this rolling. Man, the car is not even home yet, and he already got a racing stripe. That's the first mod right there. Boy, he gonna be fast. So David just took me out to Ike's. I've never been there before. Pretty bomb. And we are back here now at the pad, but the car is now leaving in David's possession. He's got his girl over there. It's gonna follow him home. You guys got the pink slip? Awesome. Drive safe. Let me know when you get home. God damn. All right, guys, so the black CRX is officially gone, and I'm looking forward to see what David's gonna do with the car. I know he said it's gonna be running by next summer, so definitely a project. But now we can bring the CRX back here on the driveway, and I definitely have to get this car all buttoned up. And if you guys are wondering why the car is all taken apart, it's because I'm building a fuel cell. But that's in another video, guys. I'm going to collaborate this one with the fishing video, because I know the fishing video may be short after all the editing. And that's going to be it for today. I'm saddened the car is gone, but at least it is still around because my friend now owns it. Me and Joe has a lot more fishing trips to come, and I still have all my damn robo worms in my freaking beanie. Look at that. This is the one I caught the bass on. Such a shame I lost it. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button. If you guys want to see some updates on this car, that car, and everything else here at this house, be sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. Hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified for every time I upload, Monday through Friday. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!